couple of updates. As you can see, the setup is still basically the same, but I've added some things. We have our hotbar down here. Um, we'll eventually have it to where we'll have a fully expanded inventory when you press, your inventory. And so I haven't implemented that yet. I'm trying to get the core gameplay loop down. So I did add some things. I got some tree prefabs here and some rock prefabs. And yeah, so I'm just gonna show you. I got some simple sound going, and I did fix an animation issue that was going on last time I showed a video. The damage issue was happening twice, but as you can see, we have logs. So the logs can drop. They also have a little pickup noise. Also added a dynamic, or not a dynamic. I did add a dynamic sorting script so that the player is usually always on top. Now, I don't know why the tree's going transparent when he's right there on it. May have something to do with it thinks he's behind it still, but he's not. But it does go transparent when he's behind, so you can see there's like a rock behind it or anything like that. But yeah, we have chopping, which is pretty cool. We have plant fiber, which will be used in a simple early game crafting that I'm going to be able to implement soon. I don't have that one done yet, but what I do have is we need 6 logs. And like I said, all of this is just basic right now, and you see the sound for the mining. That might change later on, who knows? But I have that sorting going on, so we have a little bit of depth here. And yeah, and when you press C, we have a little crafting menu pop up, and by no means is this perfect. I really quickly figured out that UI is hard. I suck at it. So, anywho, I have to change how the letters look. It's very hard to read. This is basically just, I wanted to, show my progress, what I've done. It's been a lot of fiddling back and forth because I've had some hiccups here and there. But you can essentially craft the workbench now. I had to put in the logic to be able to place it in the game world and all that. But I wanted to quickly show that I do have at least this. Now, as for the letterings and all that, I'll probably make them black or something like that. But as you can see, I still have 6 logs and 2 stones, so I can make another one. And once it goes out, it goes gray. The crafting hammer goes gray as well, and then it goes red. So I think that's pretty cool. I think that's pretty dope. And yeah, there's a lot of work I have to do. I mean, for some reason I noticed that when he's walking pretty quickly, he looks a little blurry. I'm not exactly sure what's wrong with that. Also, as you can see, the hot bar right here is pretty high up. I have to figure out if there's some sort of dynamic, fitting to resolution or something like that. Right now, I just have it placed there. So there's a lot of things I have to do. I just wanted to share some progress on the game, and pretty soon, hopefully, I'll be able to implement the first bees to come into the game, so we can start harvesting bees and getting those automated, because that'll be the short core gameplay loop. So I look forward to seeing you maybe in the next week or two and updating you then. Thank you.